When cute animal projects have a parent and child element to them, they can make a great Mother's Day drawing. This bird lesson is a good example, and by the way, could easily be modified to have more babies sitting on that branch. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the supplies I used for this project: a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and crayons. For a link to a free step-by-step tutorial, check out the description below. Before we begin, I like to remind students that working with center pencil guidelines on your paper can really help you out. They're also on all my tutorials, and they really help you see how to use the entire sheet of paper. Let's begin with the branch that's near the bottom of the paper. Draw a line going to the left, which has a pointy end, and go back to the right. Afterwards, add a short branch, and maybe a couple near the left side and below. Just be sure to leave room in the middle for your baby bird. Let's add some leaves now. We can make them very simple and just put one on the end of each short branch. Now for the baby bird. It has a flat head and straight back and rounded belly. The legs are just some simple stick lines below. The rest is very easy too. A couple of V shapes for the beak, a circle eye with a dot, U shape for a wing, and a small tail. Let's start the mommy bird with the belly. It's just a slightly curved line and has a flat head and a flat back. It's the same as the baby below, it's just flipped in the other direction. Its features are the same too, just a little larger, as you can see by the beak and the eye that I'm adding here. Now a tail is added, it's curving up, and the legs and the feet are hanging down. Lastly, a large wing is drawn, like this. The line inside gets erased, and the bit of the other wing is added too. To add a little more interest to our drawing, let's add a large branch up in this corner. Begin with a branch that's kind of like a long hand with 3 pointy fingers. It can be rather large, as there's a bit of space here to fill. Then go back and add more of those simple leaf shapes. They can be on the ends of the branches or attached to the sides too. Adding clouds is always a good way to brighten up drawings, as it adds a bit of weight. There's room for part of a large one near the top and a smaller one in that space left over in the bottom. Okay, the drawing is done, so it's time to get out that black marker and start tracing over all of those pencil lines. It'll help us see them even better and stay in the lines when we're coloring too. When the tracing is done, we want to erase any pencil lines that we see, because it'll make our drawing look just that much neater. Please feel free to color your birds whatever you want. I'm going to make both of mine red. The beaks are going to be golden yellow. I'm using a dark brown for those tree branches, a medium shade of green for those leaves, and a nice light blue for that sky. Now you can make a simple but adorable Mother's Day drawing. This project is great for those that are just learning how to draw, and would make a really lovely gift for someone on that special day. When you visit my website, Arch Projects for Kids, you'll find more spring drawing projects, including one for a Mother's Day card and a spring bouquet of flowers. Over the years, I'm happy to say my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you are watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I post a new video.